All right, let's look at the homework 4.1, problem number 2. All right, so it says this. Immediately following an injection, the concentration of a drug in the bloodstream is 400 milligrams per milliliter. Right? After T hours, concentration is 65% of the level of the previous hour. So it means that every hour it reduces down to 65% of the previous hour, right? And find a model for C of T, concentration of the drug, right? So let's find that. All right, so initially we have 400 milligrams. So we're going to put 400, right? Then every hour it becomes 65%. So I'm going to have 0.65 and raise it to the time t hour, right? So that's the formula. So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got that one correctly. All right, so the graph, so when t equals 0, it's at 400 milligrams. So the first one is a little bit off, and the second one looks pretty good, and our third one is way off, and fourth one looks pretty good. So it's between the second one and the fourth one, right? Then the rate is, let's see, after 1 hour, it's 65%. So if you look at the one and you go up here, right? Yeah, that's about the 65% of 400. But if you go here, and it looks like the value is way too small, so it decreases way too fast. So this should be the correct picture. All right, so let's check that. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and it looks like we got this picture correctly. All right, then last question is determine the concentration of the drug after 7 hours. So we just have this formula and we just have to plug in 7 for t. All right, so for that I'm going to use a calculator. All right, so we need to type in 400 times 0.65, raise it to the 7th power, right? Then hit enter, right? So you have a 19.6 about. So let's see, I'm gonna put those in, right? So I'm gonna just, let's see, what's the 2 decimal places? So I have to put the 19.61, all right? So let's put that in. 19.61, right? So let's submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.